Well, good morning everybody, Keith here again. If I sound a bit excited, it's probably because I am. This is my very first orchids by post, so it's my first unboxing video. And I am really wound up to see what I've got. I've always shied away from buying plants by post, preferring to see the plants before I buy. But this is from Spiceotics on eBay, and when I saw the plants that Roger posted on YouTube in his latest unboxing video a couple of days ago, and saying how pleased he was with them and how consistently good the plants had been that he'd received from them, I thought, well, okay, I'm going to give this a whirl as well. And they'd got a couple of cracking plants that I really fancied. So I took the plunge. I'm hoping that they're good, because they weren't, one of them in particular wasn't cheap. But let's get the recorder set up, hopefully, so that I can unbox it. You'll be able to see what I'm up to. One of these bottles of fertiliser out here. Oh, how's that? Is that better? Yes, that's better. Right, here we go then. Certainly well packaged. It looks like the box is actually in two parts. Well, two boxes have been put together, which doesn't altogether surprise me, because as I say, I think one of these at least should be a big one. Opened, and I can see some interesting looking flowers to come, so there's that. I've got to say that the service has been absolutely outstanding. It said on eBay that, because I ordered them on Thursday morning, first thing Thursday morning, and this is now 9:20 the following day, and it said that they'd be coming in the middle of next week, so obviously being posted with that. So I've bought two plants, and let's see what's in the old box. Because I am really looking forward to seeing what I've got. Now then. We've got the two kind of entangled a bit, so let's get rid of that stake before it takes my eye out, and let's see what we've got here. Oh yes. There we are, folks. That's my very first Vanda. This is Divana Apricot Brandy, and isn't that flower just something else? My goodness me, that is absolutely fabulous. We've got a lot of roots. There's some thin roots that have been tied up and some much bigger roots in a little thin basket. I'm planning to try and grow this in a glass jar, and I'm going to see what I can do, and if I can't, if the jar I've got won't do it, I shall have to get something else. Now, the first thing I'm going to do when I've finished unpacking is get this into some rainwater, so I've got a better idea of which roots are live and which are dead. I don't know what it is about these very thin ones. Some of them have got root tips, some of them are branching, so they look live, and then you've got the more typical thick roots that I'd really expect from a sympodial orchid. So, oh well, a little bit of cracking on some of these roots. I don't know whether you're about to pick it up where my finger is, but I suppose that's pretty much inevitable with delivery. But I'll hang that up there for now, and play with everything else later. Now then, this one. Ooh, you absolute star. Right then, this one, my word, Roger wasn't wrong when he said the handwriting on these tags was a bit iffy. But it is Renanthera amayani, A-M-A-Y-A-N-I, crossed by Monachika, or Chica, or Kika, I don't no idea how you would pronounce that, Monachika I guess, or Chica. And it's in spike. Oh, look at that. And that is a really nice plant, I think. Really nice plant. Got a good chunky root there. You've got one leaf there, there's a new leaf. I don't know how well you can see it growing in there. So that is very, very nice. Both plants are really nice. So on the basis of my two plants, and oh my goodness me, look at the roots in the bottom of there. That's a really chunky little plant, is that. Oh, I am pleased. That's money well spent, I think. So, those are my two new plants to have a look at. I am absolutely over the moon with this Vanda. Really am. And there's a lot of buds that are still to come out. I don't know how well you'll see that on the video. We'll have a go. Get a bit more central. So it's actually a little bit paler than the camera appears to be showing. I don't know whether if I put a background behind it, see if that, oh that's better. that's much nearer what it actually is. That's much nearer. Very, very, very nice indeed. I love that colour. Absolutely love that. And the spike's branching. I've just found a little branch off that, I think. Might be, it may be one of those spurs that you sometimes get from the side of the thing, but I think it might even be a branch. So, yeah, very, very, very pleased with that. Okay folks, thank you for watching. I hope it's not been too boring, and I will see you next time.